Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Adam, and today I will show you guys how to do cotton candy Angry Bird. Like and subscribe for more video. We always need the cotton candy machine. We need a big stick, small stick, gloves to protect your hands, cotton candy cutter, knife, scissor, sugar spoon, medium stick, and for sure we need sugar. White sugar. I have blue sugar, yellow sugar, and red sugar. We also need cotton candy holder, and the most important thing is smoke machine. Wear gloves and we can start to make the Angry Bird. First we put a little bit of white sugar. Spin and use your hands, wrap the cotton candy tight, like I do in the video. Now put the full spoon of white sugar. Spin continuously. Don't stop. We go halfway already. Now that time to put red sugar. Remember, don't stop spinning. Go backwards, forward. Keep spinning. Add more red sugar. We almost done with the body. It's done. Now we start to make the hairs. Make the eyes. Yellow sugar for the Angry Bird beak. Assembly. First I break the red cotton candy to make the hairs. We need 3. Now we make the eyes with white sugar. First eye. Second eye. Use the blue sugar to make the pupils. Done with the pupils. Use the blue sugar to make eyebrows too. Now the yellow sugar to make the beak. We done. And this is my Angry Bird. Remember, like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos.